thanks for joining my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing and also setting this Traeger Century 885. Alright, here we go! Here's a drink holder in case you guys get thirsty while setting this up. One for you and one for your partner. Let's take a look inside. Here we have some hardware. So welcome package, assembly guide, and a thank you card. The handle, temperature probe, Traeger sticker. Here's a cookbook, and an owner's manual. Here are all the components inside. This is actually very well packaged. Let's do a quick walkthrough. This is what the inside looks like. It's very spacious. Here's the burner where the pellets burn. Here's the temperature sensor to sense the inside heat temperature. Nice Traeger logo. Now this is the vent to release the heat from inside if you want to cool down. Now here inside, this is the warmer. Keep your food warm. The rep told me it was an oven. I'm not sure why. Maybe it is, but I don't think so. Now this is where you store your pellets. 20-pound capacity. There's the power cord, and also you can put your temperature probe here. There's the auger down there. Now this is the D2 controller, Wi-Fi operated. Can't wait to test this baby out. This right here is for the temperature probe. Using a temperature probe is very easy. Plug it in. Now push it through this hole. It'll come out on the other side. And you're ready to go. Power button. Now this is the chute where you empty out your pellets if you want to change it up for a different flavor. Overall, this looks pretty nice. Underneath the hopper, this is where the power cord goes in. When you're done using, you can hang your power cord on this hook. This is what it looks like on the inside when it's all complete. When you guys assemble a unit, be sure to tighten up these screws. Mine actually came apart. For the lid, I made a little addition to it. I didn't like the noise it was creating every time I closed it. And also, as I closed it, I noticed a crease on the lid. So the little addition I made was I put in rubber cushions to absorb the impact. So over time, there won't be a chip crease in the paint, and this can absorb the impact and it makes a better noise when you close the lid. This is before. Now this is after. At the back of this sheet is a pellet guide. It shows you what kind of pellets is good for what kind of meats, and also a temperature guide. This smoker doesn't have the super smoke function, but the rep introduced me to one of these. This is called a pellet smoker tube. I got this on Amazon for about 20 bucks. This is 12-inch long and can provide up to 5 hours of smoke time. He says that the smoker tube gives off a similar effect to the super smoke function. I haven't tried this out yet, but we will see. The rep also gave me this for free, some chicken rub. What a nice guy. When you buy from Costco, it also comes with a free cover. This is about an $80 value. It's pretty nice. I can't wait to start smoking. Sorry guys, that's all the time I have for this video. More videos to come. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. See you guys on the next one.